Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Decorate a Lantern Sunflower Theme collaboration. Here are the participants in this collaboration. Be sure to check out these channels and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa, Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, Design with Emma, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, May's Design Corner, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jean Home Decor and more, and Jubilee. I have everything here ready to go. I love to set out everything I need before I even get started. That way it's all here together and all of my inspirational pieces are ready to go. I have this beautiful orange check ribbon and some beautiful fall looking lace that'll be perfect for the upcoming season. I have some twist ties in green and yellow that'll work really well when I'm making my bow and attaching everything to the lantern. And then I have this beautiful greenery that'll look nice and natural hanging down on my lantern. I even have some leaves and acorns ready to go in case I decide to use these as well. I have this beautiful sunflower bouquet that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. It was such a great deal for only $3. I'll take off the select flowers that I want to use today on my lantern. I have my wire cutters here ready to go. I'll get busy trimming off these beautiful sunflowers. I'm going to leave a little bit of the stem so that I have something to tie these on with. Our sunflowers are trimmed and ready to go. I'm going to take both of these ribbons and pull them along the same length. I'll trim them and then we'll start folding it into our bow. We'll just make one loop on this side and then another loop going the opposite direction. We'll try to keep the loops the same size and then we'll just wind it back and forth. I'll give it a little twist so that the beautiful lace is on the outside. Once we get that all done, I'm just going to put the pipe cleaner right around the center and twist it nice and tight, leaving a nice long piece on each end so that we can attach this to our lantern. Once we get that done, we'll just spread out our loops on our bow. 2 more pieces of ribbon tied right in the center will cleverly disguise our pipe cleaner. I'm going to use this beautiful greenery and just put it right here at the top of my lantern. I'll place a piece on each side. These big soft pipe cleaners work great. I just wrapped it around and twisted it, and this will give me a nice long piece to anchor on to the lantern. I have my sunflowers ready to add on. I bent the stems so that they're facing down, and I'll just take these sunflowers and put them right up at the top and twist these around as well in the big green pipe cleaner. It's time to add on this beautiful bow. In the bottom of my lantern, I'll add in a couple of beautiful fall leaves, a lovely sunflower to tie in with the ones at the top of the lantern, and then one more little touch, some dainty little acorns right in the bottom. In no time at all, we have a lovely sunflower lantern. It is so much fun to take a lantern and just add a few things to it. Some natural elements and some beautiful flowers will make a wonderful lantern decorated for the season. I am so happy you're here. I had such a wonderful time decorating my lantern with the sunflower theme. Be sure to check out all of the other participating channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.